Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So many of you have been asking me on WhatsApp about tools and accessories that should be included with your car when you purchase it, whether it's for a used or a local use second-hand car. So this is a short video but super important, and these are the things that you must insist on getting with your car when you buy it. Otherwise you'll be forced to buy them out of pocket, spending extra cash unnecessarily. So let's dive in. And number one is the wheel spanner. It's crucial for changing a flat tire or tightening the nuts if they loosen over time. And remember, not just any wheel spanner will do. Make sure the spanner provided with your car is specifically designed for your car's wheel nuts. Before you buy, confirm that the seller gave you the correct spanner and take a moment to test it out just to be sure, You don't want to find yourself on the side of the road with a flat tire only to realize you're missing the spanner or you have the wrong spanner. This is an indispensable tool that every car should come with, so don't skip this step. And number two is the tow hook. This is a vital accessory that allows you to securely attach a tow rope in case your car needs to be towed. On this Sienta, for example, the tow hook screws into a designated point on the car's chassis, and to access it, you simply pop out this cover right here, this one here. The tow hook is very important because if your car suddenly won't start or faces mechanical issues, it allows you to safely tow the vehicle without damaging the body or the frame of the car. Some cars will come with the tow hook already installed, while some others like this Sienta will require you to screw it in yourself. Either way, make sure it's included, or at least that the attachment point is intact. And number three is the jack and its handlebar. The jack is a crucial tool used to lift the vehicle when you need to change a tire, replace brake pads, or work on the suspension parts. And to use it, you just position the jack at the designated jack points on the car's chassis and operate it using the handlebar. Without the jack, changing a tire or performing other maintenance tasks beneath the vehicle becomes impossible. When buying a car, ensure that the jack provided matches the correct type and weight rating for your specific vehicle. Any jack will not just work on any vehicle. It's also a good idea to test the jack before finalizing the purchase to confirm it works properly. This is one item you definitely don't want to be without in an emergency. Let's go to number 4, which is the tire inflator and sealant kit. The 12 volts tire inflator and emergency puncture sealant kit are your ultimate emergency lifesavers. The tire inflator machine helps you to restore proper tire pressure and can also address minor air leaks from slow punctures, while the sealant liquid can fix small punctures by sealing them as you pump air into the tire. Simply plug the inflator into your car's cigarette lighter socket and you're ready to pump air in your tire. While buying my Sienta, I got this Honda tire inflator, but it works just as well. Maintaining equal and correct tire pressure is one of the best ways to improve fuel efficiency and extend the life of your tires. With the tire inflator machine, you can easily check and adjust your tire pressure at home, say once every month or every 2 weeks if you do off-roading. There are many crucial things you must know before buying your first car, e.g. knowing and verifying the right documents, assessing the engine's condition, checking the body to detect accident cars, suspension, engine fluids, test drive and how to listen for, auction grade variants and how to protect yourself during the payment process, avoiding car scams and more. I've compiled all this vital information into an easy to follow first-time car buyer's guide. It's a comprehensive resource complete with illustrative videos covering everything from essential do and don'ts to creating a solid seller-buyer agreement. Check this video's description for the link to purchase the booklet now to equip yourself with the right knowledge to successfully buy your first car like a pro and avoid costly mistakes that first-time car buyers make. Let's go to number 5, which is the locking wheel nut key. Some cars do come with locking wheel nuts to deter theft, so inspect the car you're about to buy carefully to see if it has locking wheel nuts. The locking nut will look different from the others, so it's just easy to spot. If your car has locking wheel nuts, make sure you get the key, as without it, you won't be able to remove the tire, which means you can't change a flat tire or work on your brakes. So double check that it's included together with the other tools so that you don't realize it when it's too late or when you need it the most. And number 6 is the reflective warning triangle. So in Kenya, it's mandatory by law to carry a reflective warning triangle. However, this item might not always come with the car you want to buy, so if it's not provided, make sure you purchase your own separately. This small but vital tool is your lifeline during emergencies. If your car experiences a mechanical breakdown or an accident, placing the triangle far enough behind your car warns other drivers, keeping you safe, especially on busy roads or at night. So it's simple, cheap, and it's incredibly useful for preventing accidents and ensuring visibility. So whether it comes with your car or not, never hit the road without a reflective warning triangle. It could save your life or someone else's life. Finally, and most importantly, let's talk about the spare tire. This is an absolute must-have. Even if you carry a tire inflator machine, not all tire damage can be repaired on the road. Hitting potholes or rocks can cause torn tires or bent rims, issues that require a full tire replacement. Without a spare tire, driving on a flat tire can damage not only the tire itself, but also critical suspension components like shock absorbers, ball joints, and control arms. Before buying that car, inspect the spare tire being provided carefully. Ensure it's the correct size for your car, it's properly inflated and in good condition. Check the treads to confirm if it's roadworthy. Don't assume any detail here. It's easy to overlook this step, but it will cost you later. Better yet, test the spare tire during your test drive by fitting it on the car. This ensures it's compatible and ready to use when you need it the most, and also that it holds air. It's very important to note that most modern cars being sold today will typically come with either a tire inflator kit or a spare tire, not both. Do not expect to receive both the tire inflator kit and a spare tire unless explicitly stated by the seller, which is very, very rare. When I was buying my car, for example, it came with the tire inflator kit but no spare tire. Since driving from Mombasa to Nairobi without a spare tire is incredibly risky, I had to purchase a spare tire separately in Mombasa before starting my journey. And trust me, buying a spare tire is worth the extra cost for peace of mind and safety, especially if you'll be traveling long distance or on rough roads. Let me share another practical tip based on my own experience. For my daily commute to Nairobi CBD, which is 16 kilometers to and from, on good roads of course, I don't carry my spare tire. I just carry the tire inflator and repair kit. But when I'm heading out for long distance trips outside Nairobi or going off-road, I always make sure to carry my spare tire. In those situations, relying solely on a tire repair kit can be very, very risky. So depending on the road conditions and the nature of your trip, it's not absolutely necessary to carry your spare tire every single day. That said, always assess your needs. For urban drives on good roads, the repair kit is usually enough. But for long journeys or on rough roads, the spare tire is a non-negotiable. Other items that don't always get included but are still very important to have include a fire extinguisher, a first aid kit, and jumper cables. What else have we missed? Let us know in the comment section. So there you have it, guys. Those are the essential tools you must insist on receiving when buying your first car. Ensuring that these are included helps you avoid unnecessary expenses and headaches down the road. If any of these items are missing, don't let the seller sweet talk you into buying a car without them. Instead, negotiate to have them included with the car or deduct their total cost from the overall purchase price. And if the seller refuses, don't hesitate to walk away. In fact, run very fast. It's a red flag. Cars are so many and the ads are still full of cars that come with all the accessories and tools. You're already investing a huge amount in the car itself. You should not have to bear the extra cost for things that should come with the car. I hope this video has helped you to know the exact tools you need to check for when buying your first car, or even what you might need to add if you've already purchased your car. If you have any questions or would like more tips, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more car buying advice tailored just for you. Thanks guys for watching and happy motoring.